Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning. Today we're going to draw our favorite curmudgeon from Bikini Bottom, Squidward Tentacles. For those of you who don't know what curmudgeon means, your homework is to look it up. Anyway, all you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Before we get started, be sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, so let's draw Squidward. We're going to draw Squidward step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Squidward is roughly 3 heads tall in this pose. In other words, however tall we draw his head, his entire body is 3 of those. Alright, so let's start with that roadmap for Squidward. So there's our roadmap of Squidward. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Squidward's eyes, nose, mouth, and other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them very easily. So let's rough out Squidward's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Squidward. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Squidward. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't hammer that line mindlessly retracing over the lines you've already drawn. Always look to tweak and improve until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Squidward. Alrighty, there you have it, Squidward. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Squidward before, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring Squidward during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Squidward. With that you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get with all your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Squidward. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.